Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2022 Vauxhall Vivaro. First of all, we go into just get Bluetooth up, watch Bluetooth. I've got quite a few things paired, so I have to get it right to the bottom. And then if I click on telephone there, you'll see there, that's on music. Click on telephone, Bluetooth telephony, mirror link and Android Auto. Bluetooth, it's showing John's phone at the moment, paired phones, and there's a searching for Bluetooth devices, and it's come up with Vauxhall there. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro wants to connect to the system, accept, yes. Pair, yes. To complete the pair with Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, confirm the code, which we saw, yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. That's it done. If we go back here, it should show, and there it is, Vauxhall connected. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio, play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2022 Vauxhall Vivaro. So we'll set the phone up first, go into iTunes Music, although once it's set up, anything that's playing on your mobile, be it Spotify or Amazon Prime Music, Apple Music, the soundtrack to a YouTube audio, YouTube Music, it should all play through the speakers in the Vivaro. So let's see, Rolling Stones, Vauxhall. If I click at the bottom on there, you will see Waiting on a Friend, iPhone speaker, Vauxhall here, and that's also the volume. They changed it on the latest iPhone update. So it's all set to play. All I have to do now is go over here to sources, that's on the radio, sources, you'll see there radio or Bluetooth. We want Bluetooth. Waiting on a friend, turn that up. That's it, that's how you play music. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2022 Vauxhall Vivaro. First of all, I've just paired it to my mobile here, so I'm going to forget this device, so that's gone off my mobile. Now I want to delete the mobile from the system in the vehicle, so I click telephone, Bluetooth telephony, and you'll see there Barry's phone and John's phone, and there's a bin there. Click the bin, delete Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, yes, gone. That's it.